Let's make Lemonade's Pan Negosyo, made with fresh lemons. 1 whole lemon. Squeeze half of the lemon. Fructose. (200 ml) water. Stir well. Ice. Sliced lemon. Classic lemonade done. Squeeze half of the lemon. Fructose. 1 probiotic milk. Stir well. 150 ml water. Ice. Lemon slice. Probiotic lemonade done. Strawberry jam. Squeeze half of a lemon. (180 ml) water. Fructose. Stir well. Add ice and sliced lemon. Strawberry lemonade done. Blueberry jam. Squeeze half of lemon. Fructose. Stir well. 180 ml water. Stir well. Ice. Lemon slice. Blueberry lemonade done. Squeeze half of a lemon. Honey. 180 ml water. Stir well. Ice. Lemon slice. Honey lemonade done. Want to start a lemonade business? We've made it easy for you. Get our lemonade business guide. See description box below for more details. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. See you in my next video.